Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set hotspot data limit on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, if you ever lose your data internet cause sharing hotspot connection with your friends, here are the steps to limit it. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Okay, after that here you can select portable hotspot. And then you can click on one-time data limit option. Well, now you can activate it, and then you can set the data internet size as you want. Okay, and then here you can activate turn off and notify option. Okay, and then you won't lose your data internet again. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set hotspot data limit on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.